All right, right now we're going to bring out Bill and Trish Stout from SAFE, which stands for Straight Allies for Equality.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'm trying to get this in there, but I'll just hold it. It's actually Straight Advocates for Equality, and the name is SAFE. Well, I want to say first that I can't believe that the Supreme Court would allow something that is essentially like 3 foxes and a lamb voting on what to have for dinner. It's just ridiculous. Nobody should be able to vote somebody's rights away. As we were preparing something to say, we were trying to prepare one thing for if it was Prop 8 was upheld, another for if it was struck down, and we realized that there's really only one thing to say. That this isn't a California fight. This is a civil rights fight. This is a human rights fight. This is a fight for full federal rights across the United States. People, regardless of sexual orientation, should be able to marry the person they love across the United States. Everybody should be able to move from state to state and not worry about if their marriage is in jeopardy or not. And everybody should be able to make the same decisions that I can make as a straight husband. Medical decisions, decisions for my children, decisions across states when it comes to death, everything. This is not just California. This is a fight for full federal rights for same-sex couples.
Last year after Prop 8 passed, Jerry, Diane, Bill, and I decided that we needed to do something. And that was the time when we founded the group SAFE. When we did this, we knew that this wasn't going to be just a fight to get Prop 8 overturned. That this was going to be a long fight that involved a lot more than just that simple law, which really seems simple, but it's not, because it has such devastating effects on so many people's lives. As I thought about, what we were going to say today, I came to the conclusion that, like Bill said, we only have one thing to say, and that is that we're here to support. We are here to fight the long fight, because it's not going to be over once we get this overturned. It's going to continue, and it's not going to be just a legal battle. It's a matter of supporting our gay brothers and sisters, children, parents, and it's going to go on, because just because the law changes doesn't mean that people's hearts and minds are going to change. The gay community, there may be even more backlash, and you may need even more support from this time on. And you will, and that's our pledge. So who I'm really speaking to today isn't you, it's to the straight community. It's the straight community who has a responsibility to stand up and protect what everybody should have the right to.